Hello traders! Welcome to AM Trading Tips, where I share powerful trading tips and strategies to help you become a successful trader. In today's video, we're introducing Scalping EA, a specialized automated trading bot designed for Euro-USD trading. This EA uses a unique strategy to create a stable trading environment for more predictable market movements. Scalping EA is an automated Forex robot that employs the scalping method, making frequent small trades to capture profit from minor price changes. Additionally, it uses martingale and hedging techniques to manage and potentially recover from losing trades, although these methods carry an inherent level of risk. The developers recommend starting with a standard account of $1,000 and a lot size of 0.01. However, this high-risk approach could quickly deplete your account. Instead, I suggest a more conservative approach. Start with a $100 cent account in the same lot size. This reduces risk and aims for an average monthly gain of around 7%, making the EA more accessible to traders with different capital sizes and risk tolerances. Key recommendations for the Scalping EA. Start with a minimum account balance of $1,000. Although optimized for Euro-USD, it can work on other currency pairs. Operates on the 30-minute time frame. For stable results, run the Scalping EA on a reliable VPS. This EA isn't all plug and play and watch. You may need to look out for volatile markets, news, and close trades. Let's backtest the Scalping EA. You can download it for free using the link in the video description. By following these guidelines and understanding how the Scalping EA operates, you can enhance your Forex trading experience with greater safety and efficiency. Before using this scalping robot in a real account, we strongly recommend testing it in a demo account for at least a week to gain familiarity with its operation. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy trading, and until next time.
Introducing the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course, your guide to financial success. Master trading effortlessly with a single, potent strategy in just 50 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our in-depth video simplifies complexities for easy understanding. Learn from a seasoned expert with over a decade of trading experience. Get exclusive tools, a custom MT4 indicator and template setup. Simplify your trading journey with a straightforward approach to strategy implementation. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course today and take control of your financial destiny. Enroll now and let's make profits together, because success is not just a goal, it's a strategy.